ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya
U MLA ka North Shillong constituency uba Adelbert nongrum ula Ïing ban pan Jingshai na ulampang ga Ïing Dorbar thawan ka jela haka singis dang jong ka Dorbar Sinrai kapala sedang mentagasi ka praterik unailur arajar arpusan uba Adelbert ulapan Jingshai na ulampang Balei ki Phah penkenria ia ka jaka Shong jong u na ka ba uju Shong menshua Henry mentala penkenria Shadien uba Adelbert ulaong baula sya suspend haka Voice of the People Party haka arpsautere ulber arjarpsan Henry ulaong bakani kade kababean namar ba ki klam Phah si thi sya u kum u MLA ka North Shillong Henry ulaong bagi Phah sya uba Adelbert nongrum klam da penmi ya ka kentin MLA ulampang ulaong ba kanika kam day kapor kapabiang ban ya keren ya kata bat ula batha bo unwan sya office jongu ban ya keren ya kanika kam.
Now we come to item number 23, obituary references. Chief Minister to initiate, please.
Hello, sir. Sir, excuse me. I'm not supposed to interrupt, but sir, may I seek a clarification from your esteemed chair? Like, why myself being as an MLA from VVP, be in this position? Last time I was in this chair, now you are putting me in the back, so I don't know what's the reason. So may I get clarification from?
No, under what rules you are bringing a point of order? You can discuss it later on in the.
No, I did not raise any point of order, sir, but just to seek clarification. Because I remember for my party, they had suspended me on the 24/3/2025. What I'm raising my voice at a point of time that this is purely illegal, purely unconstitutional, because they are refer not in a proper address. They did not refer me in a proper address as a legislative, as a legislator. Adelbert, 17 North Shillong constituency MLA. But they had referred me at a point of time as Adelbert Norum, Mr. Adelbert Norum, Shillong. Is it true?
The matter will be discussed later in my chamber. This is not the appropriate place or time to discuss this on the House. Thank you, please. Yes, Chief Minister.
Yeah.
Hey, up, ruko. Shwaba finshet da kajo shi kajo ko umpiang balapin don kam. Up shwa, namar kane kakta ya kakot kakya jong fi pat kamariang rukum jo. Da ka bashet da kane ko umpiang kan tau bonjat ki jingpang. Henry pimday pat bante shanala ne bantang pendono. Henry minta ka ruko ne ka repurpose use cooking oil scheme kala ban penkala ya kane ko umpiang syaka biodiesel. Tinamar kata limba ka ruko kakot kakya pat kamariang rukan kta syo.